Hello guys, welcome back to Mom's Medicine. Today I'm making an infused hair tonic for hair growth using tangerine peels, rosemary, and cloves. Tangerines are high in vitamin C and B12. B12 in tangerines will reduce hair loss and promote growth and even slow down the process of graying. Rosemary stimulates hair growth, strengthens hair, controls dandruff, and improves scalp health. The antioxidants in cloves may help prevent hair loss and premature graying and improve hair strength and thickness by protecting against oxidative stress, eugenol, and other antioxidant compounds. Cloves may also improve blood circulation. Apply this infused hair tonic daily. For the best results, do not rinse.